You're on WordPress using the Divi Builder. You just set up a WooCommerce store. You launched it on your mobile device, and your products, the images, are not showing on the phone. And you keep scrolling around, you click it, it shows up, but it's like all glitched out. You click it again, it's all blanked out. It's just glitching around on the phone and sometimes on the computer. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this problem. Let's get in the computer. All right, so the first step is to log into your WordPress. And this is for people using SiteGround or some type of caching plugin. On SiteGround, they have the SG Optimizer. So we're going to go to the SG Optimizer, and we have to go to Image Optimization. And right over here, it says Lazy Load Images. Make sure all this stuff is checked off. If you have another type of caching software, make sure Lazy Loading Images is turned off. And this should solve the problem. As you see, there's nothing on the page. We just updated the settings. I'm going to refresh. And now the page, the photo loaded successfully. I'm going to refresh it again. I'm clicking it. I'm scrolling. I'm refreshing. And the page is good. Just so you guys see, I'm going to turn on Lazy Load. Now I'm going to refresh. Stopped working. Now I'm going to turn off Lazy Load. I'm going to refresh on the phone. And it's good. So make sure Lazy Load is turned off and you should be good to go. Hopefully that helped. If it did work, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. And I try to answer everybody. Otherwise, just stay tuned. I got more content coming, more videos. I'm just trying to just give you guys all my experience, all my tips, everything I know. Just stay tuned, and hope I helped you guys. Have fun.